Okay, we're at Enterprise Dog Park, going over the bridge. Let's go, Bailey. Come on, let's go. Come on. It's a nice path here for them to walk down. Good boy. Good boy, Bailey. Yeah. This is a memorial to someone's dog under the tree there. Said, Reddy's tree, dedicated to all our departed friends waiting for us at the bridge. Isn't that sweet? Who's that? Huh? What's that, Bailey? Okay, let's continue our walk. Here, want some water? Bailey, get some water. Come on. Get some fresh water. No, you're not ready? You're not ready? Come here, get some water. He's circling me. Okay. All right, we'll get some at the next stop. What are you smelling, huh? What are you smelling? Good boy. Bailey, come here. Try some water. Get some water. Come on. Get some water. Get some fresh water. Bailey. There's all this water here, Bailey. Thought you'd be thirsty. Back over the bridge.